Unveiling the Glow, the Essence of Honeymoon Radiance. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, honeymoon radiance. This expression is not just about words. It's about capturing a moment, a feeling. If you've ever wondered what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your everyday English, then you're in the right place. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to incorporate it into your language repertoire. Stay tuned. Honeymoon radiance is a phrase that combines two powerful words. Honeymoon, typically referring to the period just after a wedding when things are at their most blissful, and radiance, which describes a type of glow or brilliance. When put together, honeymoon radiance describes a state where someone is glowing with happiness and love, often seen as being in a blissful, idyllic state comparable to that of a honeymoon phase. It's not just about newlyweds. It can describe any moment or period in life that feels exceptionally joyful and glowing with happiness. The term honeymoon has been around for centuries, traditionally referring to the period immediately after a wedding. Radiance, on the other hand, implies a glow or light that comes from within. The phrase, honeymoon radiance, is a more modern construction that captures the essence of both words to describe a peak emotional state. It's used in various contexts, not just weddings, to describe any period or moment of intense happiness and satisfaction. For example, you might hear it used when someone starts a new, exciting job or during the early stages of a romantic relationship. Incorporating honeymoon radiance into your conversation can add depth and vivid imagery to your descriptions of happiness and joy. Here are a few examples of how you can use it. After adopting their new puppy, the couple was in a state of honeymoon radiance, unable to contain their joy. The honeymoon radiance of their new relationship was evident to everyone they met. She had a honeymoon radiance about her on the first day of her dream job, glowing with happiness and excitement. Using this phrase can help convey not just the happiness but the depth and intensity of the emotion someone is experiencing. We hope this exploration of honeymoon radiance has illuminated its beauty and depth for you. This phrase is a wonderful reminder of the joy and happiness that life's special moments can bring. Whether it's in the context of a new marriage, a blossoming relationship, or any new beginning that brings joy, using honeymoon radiance can vividly convey the essence of these moments. Thank you for joining us today, and may you find your own moments of honeymoon radiance in the journey of learning English. See you in the next video.